Dolph Lundgren here on the scene of Expendables 3. We're doing a bar scene today where I got a little scene with one of the young Expendables who's trying to explain something to Gunner. This complicated piece of machinery, tech equipment that Gunner doesn't really understand that. He's trying to pretend he does, you know. It's a bit of comedic